Heavy rains that occurred in the afternoon and evening of Wednesday, June 12, caused various damages in the metropolitan area, including fallen trees, collapsed buildings, flooded roads, and the disruption of public transportation. One of the most significant incidents occurred at the intersection of Calzada Independencia and Avenida Revolución, where a tree fell near the Bicentenario Macro Calzada station. This incident, combined with flooding in the area, caused the Mi Macro Calzada service to be suspended starting at 8:00 p.m., according to witnesses at the scene. In addition, fallen trees were reported in various locations, including our Michael and Rio Tototlan, the Los Niños Heroes Roundabout, Tizania Avenue and Girasoles Avenue, Patria Avenue and Lago Ginebra Avenue, Linda Vista Avenue in the La Loma neighborhood, and Tchaikovsky Avenue and Beethoven Avenue in the La Estancia neighborhood. Another fallen tree was also reported on the Lazaro Cardenas side street near Mercado Street.
¡Qué barbaridad!
The rain also caused severe flooding at the intersection of Patria and Sebastian Bach, the Enrique Diaz Leon Overpass, Washington Avenue and 8 de Julio Avenue, and on the Periférico and Pino Suárez sidewalks near Plaza San Isidro. The sidewalks on Colon Avenue and Fresno Street were lifted, creating a high-risk area for drivers. Regarding material damage, a roof was reported to have blown off in Villas del Cortillo, hitting a parked vehicle. An unstable advertising structure was seen on Guadalupe Avenue and Periférico, and a banner at risk of falling was installed on Mexico Avenue and Chapultepec Street. A fallen traffic light was submerged in floodwaters on Patria Avenue and Beethoven Street. In the Lomas del Paraíso neighborhood, a pickup truck was swept away by a river while trying to cross it. Similar incidents occurred in Lomas de Tabachines, where residents reported damage to homes, collapsed walls, and roads turned into canals. In the Cali Sitio neighborhood, a tree fell on a vehicle, while commercial buildings in Punto Sur were also damaged by the rain. City and state authorities continue to respond to emergency reports and are working to remove obstacles and assess damage. Residents are urged to take precautions and avoid high-risk areas as emergency response efforts continue.
It's crazy.